This ancient seed was found in Egyptian tombs, praised in holy texts, and now backed by science. It may fight cancer, improve your brain, and even help you lose weight. So why is it still missing from your kitchen? In today's video, we're unlocking the power of black seeds, also known as Nigella sativa. With a history spanning thousands of years, this tiny seed hides some big healing powers and a few shocking secrets you've probably never heard. Number 1. Boosts immunity naturally. Black seeds are loaded with thymoquinone, a compound that gives them their powerful immune-boosting properties. This antioxidant doesn't just reduce inflammation, it helps your body fight off viruses, bacteria, and even chronic illnesses. Whether you're fighting off a cold or strengthening your defenses long-term, black seeds offer natural, gentle immune support without any artificial additives. Number 2. Supports weight loss. If you're struggling to shed stubborn fat, especially around your midsection, black seed oil might be your new best friend. Studies show it can enhance metabolism, reduce hunger cravings, and regulate blood sugar, 3 essential factors for effective weight management. It's not magic, but when combined with healthy habits, it acts like a gentle daily booster that keeps your body in fat-burning mode. Number 3. Relieves asthma and allergies. Black seeds contain natural compounds that act as bronchodilators, opening up your airways and making it easier to breathe. If you suffer from asthma, seasonal allergies, or even chronic sinus issues, daily use of black seed oil has been shown to reduce coughing, wheezing, and nasal congestion without the drowsiness that often comes with over-the-counter meds. Number 4. Fights cancer cells. While black seeds aren't a replacement for cancer treatment, the science is fascinating. Research has shown that thymoquinone may slow the growth of certain cancer cells, including breast, colon, lung, and pancreatic tumors. It's being studied for its ability to promote apoptosis, or the natural death of damaged cells, without harming healthy tissue. A promising future lies ahead. Number 5. Nourishes skin and hair. Black seed oil is like a natural beauty serum. For your skin, it reduces acne, calms inflammation, and helps soothe eczema and psoriasis. For hair, it strengthens the roots, reduces thinning, and promotes healthy, shiny growth. Whether you apply it topically or take it internally, the results are often visible in just a few weeks. Clearer skin, healthier hair, naturally. Number 6. Improves digestion. Digestive problems like bloating, gas, or indigestion. Black seeds can help. Their carminative and anti-inflammatory properties ease discomfort, support gut flora, and even reduce the risk of ulcers. It's a time-tested remedy in traditional medicine for stomach pain, and modern studies support its effectiveness. Number 7. Balances blood sugar. Keeping your blood sugar in check is critical, especially if you're managing diabetes. Black seed oil helps increase insulin sensitivity and reduce fasting glucose levels. Taking it daily may lead to better energy, fewer sugar crashes, and improved blood sugar stability throughout the day. It's a small step with big impact. Number 8. Supports brain health. Black seeds don't just help your body, they're great for your mind. Studies show they may improve memory, reduce mental fatigue, and protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. How? By fighting oxidative stress in brain cells and improving circulation. It's like mental clarity in a spoon. Number 9. Reduces joint pain and inflammation. Whether it's arthritis, stiffness, or chronic joint discomfort, black seed oil can act as a natural pain reliever. It reduces inflammatory markers in the body and has been shown to work similarly to ibuprofen in some studies, but without the stomach issues or side effects. A daily dose could mean more mobility and less pain. Number 10. Powerful antibacterial and antiviral properties. Black seeds are known to combat some of the most resistant bacteria and viruses out there, including E. coli and MRSA. Their antimicrobial effects have been compared to antibiotics in lab settings. So, if you're looking to support your immune system during flu season or just stay resilient year-round, black seeds have your back. Number 11. Lowers blood pressure and improves heart health. Your heart loves black seed oil. It helps relax blood vessels, reduce blood pressure, and lower bad cholesterol levels. Over time, this means a reduced risk of heart attacks, strokes, and cardiovascular disease. It's a gentle but powerful heart protector. Bonus: 5 unknown facts about black seeds found in King Tut's tomb. Yes, really. Archaeologists found black seeds buried with Pharaoh Tutankhamun, highlighting their value even in the afterlife. Mentioned in ancient texts. In Islamic tradition, black seeds are called a cure for everything but death. The reverence is deep, and scientific interest is growing. Studied by NASA, NASA explored black seeds for their ability to protect against radiation exposure, which could be vital in space missions. Acts as a natural antidepressant. Early studies show black seed compounds may help stabilize mood, reduce anxiety, and support emotional balance. Traditional use in reproductive health. In ancient cultures, black seeds were used to regulate fertility, hormone cycles, and even menstrual health. How to use black seeds easily and safely. Here's how to make black seeds part of your daily routine. Whole seeds, lightly toast or grind them. Sprinkle over salad, oatmeal, or mix into smoothies. Start with half a teaspoon daily, then increase gradually. Black seed oil, oral use. Take 1 to 2 teaspoons per day. You can mix it with honey, lemon water, or tea. Best taken on an empty stomach for maximum absorption. Topical use, skin and hair. Massage a few drops into your scalp for 20 minutes before shampooing, or apply to skin areas affected by dryness, acne, or eczema. Safety tips. Always use cold-pressed organic oil. Not recommended in high doses for pregnant women. Start with small amounts to watch for allergies or sensitivity. Was this helpful? Smash that like button if you learned something new. Don't forget to subscribe for daily videos on natural food facts. And leave a comment, have you ever tried black seeds? Let us know how it worked for you. Up next, we're talking apricots. These sweet fruits hide some powerful secrets, from boosting eye health to improving your liver and skin. And trust me, fact number 3 will blow your mind. See you in the next one.